Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to check Aliexpress coupons. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, open your Aliexpress apps on your phone, of course. And now in this homepage, you have to tap on account icon at the bottom right. And here you will go to your profile page. You will see coupon at the bar right here. You just have to tap on it now. This is my coupons. So yeah, if you wanted to check it, you have to follow the simple steps earlier. It's a simple thing actually. You can check your coupons with a few taps. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I think it's enough. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.